This is the Wahlstrom Library. This is our first floor of the library. There's a lot of cool things here in this library. Here at the Scribe, you can get your coffees, you can get your salad, soup, you can get sushi, or you can get your pastries. This computer lab is free for all students on campus. All you need is your username and your password, which grants you access to printing. This is one of 6 cubicles here on this floor of the library. Each cubicle has a whiteboard, smartboard, or projector, and you can reserve your spot online. This is Student Financial Aid Services. This is where you would come to pay your bill, where you would come to speak about your loans and scholarships and FAFSA. This is where students will come to get jobs on campus. This is Registrar. This is where students will come to change their major, add a minor, drop and add classes. And over here, I'll show you our brand new bookstore. You can get your books at no cost. Thank you for coming to my tour of the Wallstrom Library. My name is Michaela, and I hope to see you soon on campus. Bye.